Okay. Here's that. I'm going to share that brief clip of Bruce Lee talking about water.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Thanks, Bruce. Be like water. And if we go to chapter 8 of the Tao, the highest good is like water. Water gives life to all things and does not strive. It flows in places people reject, and so is like the Tao. In dwelling, be close to the land. In meditation, go deep into the heart. In dealing with others, be gentle and kind. In speech, be true. In ruling, be just. In business, be competent. In action, watch the timing. No fight, no blame. So, be like water. Water does not strive. And you can see this principle applied, these Taoistic teachings and principles, into like the martial arts of Asia, where water, in the West, typically when we have a conflict, right, we have this mentality of like, if someone hits you, hit them twice as hard, or fight fire with fire. And so we have this very conflicting sort of thing. But in Taoism, in this principle in chapter 8, and what Bruce Lee was talking about, it's like, no, don't be like stone on stone, be like water. So like water, when it comes to an obstacle, it goes around, right? And so this is what you see. You see a lot of redirection. Instead of fighting things head on, when you approach a problem or a difficulty, like water, you move and you find the low point, or you find the weakness, you find the cracks, and that is where you move. Instead of getting into these ego trips or power trips or struggles, just like water, you flow. And over time, water overcomes even the hardest of things. Even the mountains eventually will crumble and be washed to the sea. So water can take even stone and break it down. But it does this in a way like the way of heaven. And it enters into those low and neglected places of man on its journey as it goes back to the sea.